good morning. My name is Ethan, your Proud Master here at Huawei Concept Store SM Manila. So guys, at last, nakabalik na tayo sa territory natin. But anyway, for today's video, I just wanted to share to you guys the latest model that we're going to launch this May 2024, which is the Huawei Pura 70 series. So before that, I wanted to share to you the 3 key selling points of this new Huawei Pura 70. First, we have the fashion and aesthetic design. And also, we do have the lip and lip photography and the powerful flagship smartphone or flagship experience. So, for the fashion art aesthetic design, let me show you this short video. So guys, as you can see, the video is very aesthetic and fashionable design. But also, I wanted to show you the available color that will be launched here in the Philippines. So first, we have the Pura 70 available in black, which is mystic and profound. We also have the white, simple and pure, and also the pink for the trendy and vibrant. And for our Pura 70 Pro, we have the black for mystic and profound and white for simple and pure. And last also, we have the Pura 70 Ultra na available po tayo sa green, which is the modern and fashion, and also the black for modest and timeless. So guys, ayan yung mga options and choices na meron tayo when it comes to new Huawei Pura 70 series. So for our second key selling point, we have the lip and lip photography. So guys, let me show you another video here. So guys, the Huawei Pura 70 series, we call it the king of snapshot because the best thing about this, we have the ultra speed snapshot that can capture from 200 kilometers per hour to 300 kilometers per hour. So guys, ganun kalupit po yung snapshot photos when it comes to our Huawei Pura 70. And not only that guys, actually when it comes to Huawei photography or Huawei Pura 70 photography, we have the industry leading ultra lighting super macro. So also the best thing about it, we use the focal points to 2.1 for large aperture, and also we have the 35 times macro zoom and 5 cm minimum focus distance and telephoto. So ganun kalupit when it comes to our ultra lightning super macro lens technology. And not only that guys, the best thing about this also, our Pura 70, we have the industry first ultra lightning pop-up camera. So ang maganda dito yung sensor natin, nag-aano siya ng shift ng OIS in 1 inch, and also we have the 300,000 times retraction test, and also we have the 2 meters IP68 rated. So yun yung mga special features natin when it comes to new Huawei Nova 70 series when it comes to photography. So guys, the third key selling point that we have is the powerful flagship experience. So ano nga ba meron when it comes to flagship experience? So the best thing about this, we are using the super durable Kundun glass. So we have the second generation Kundun glass, which is 20 times better drop resistance improved versus the Mate 40 Pro. And also for Pura 70 Ultra, we have the 300% scratch resistance improved using the Crystal Armor scratch resistance Kundun glass. And also guys, we have the industry fastest charging speed. So the best thing about this Huawei supercharged technology, we have the 100 watt supercharged technology for the wired charging, 80 watts for the wireless charging po. So the best thing about this wired charging, we can charge our smartphone in just 29 minutes with 100% fully charged. And also for 10 minutes, we have the 50% charge for the battery. And for the wireless charging, we have the 34 minutes fully charged technology and 15% for 50% battery charge. And also, we have powered with reverse charging. So we have the 20 watts wireless charging and also the 18 watts wired charging. So guys, actually, ito yung maganda kay Pura 70. So still, meron tayong reverse charging. So guys, for the quick recap, so let's start with the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. So for the memory version, the 16 GB RAM, 512 GB internal memory, and also the snapshot, ang maganda dito, ang ultra speed snapshot natin, we have the 300 kilometers per hour. The main camera can pop up to 1-inch sensor, and also for the selfie camera, we are using the 13 megapixel true to life selfie. So the display, we have the 6.8 curved design. At the same time, for the glass, we are using the Crystal Armor Kundun glass, 3 times anti-scratch and also 20 times drop resistance. Then also we are using the IP68 for the water and dust proof. For the battery, we are using 5200 milliampere, and also for the charging, we are using the 100 watts supercharged technology and 80 watts for the wireless charging. Next, also for the Pura 70 Pro, we have the 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal memory. And also we have ultra speed snapshot for 200 kilometers per hour. And also we have the 35 times super telephoto macro. And also 13 megapixel true to life selfie. Is still the same 6.8 curved design. And also 120 Hz po yung pinaka true display natin. And gumagamit siya ng super durable Kundun glass with 20% drop resistance, IP68 water and dust resistance also. Then, ang OS niya, we are using 14.2 EMUI. Sa battery, 5050 mAh and also 100 watt supercharged technology for wired and also 80 watt supercharged technology for wireless. Then, for our Pura 70, we are using 12 GB RAM, 512 GB internal, 256 GB internal memory. Again, 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal memory. And also the best thing about this, we have the 200 kilometers per hour for ultra speed snapshot. Gumagamit na siya ng super macro, normal macro. And also adjustable physical aperture, still the same. Then for the design, we are using 6.6 inches flat and 120 Hz when it comes to extrude display. Super durable Kundun glass na rin po siya with 20 times better resistance or drop resistance, IP68 for water and dust resistance. For OS, we are using EMUI 14.2. So sa battery, 4,900 mAh po with 66 watts wired supercharged technology and 50 watts wireless supercharged technology. So guys, yung mga gusto mag-avail po, ongoing na po yung pre-order natin. All you have to do, just drop by here sa SM Manila. So once again, my name is Ethan, your field master here at SM Manila. Together with my team, I have Janela, Mark, Gio, and also Chami. So guys, I hope makita po namin kayo dito. And thank you so much and God bless you all.